What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be fixing up the front bumper. We got some carbon fiber air ducts, we got some upper grill mesh and an OEM emblem, as well as some door garnishes for the back here. So we'll be putting these things on the car. I'm waiting for Dean to come over and he's gonna help me remove the front bumper and he's gonna help me install some things, but you can see how bad this front looks without having the mesh. You can see here, we got the previous owner had some 3M on the bumper, so it kind of scratched it up a little bit. Still waiting on the front lip to go on. That should be here in the next week or so, and that will pretty much complete the front end. So I'm just waiting on Dean to get here. I ordered everything from STM, came within 4 to 5 days. Yeah, so I'm excited to get this stuff on the car, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, so first thing we'll do is undo the front bumper. We got quick releases. I guess you want to do this, I can do this side, I guess. I'll just need your help lifting everything. I figure we'll just take this off and then it should make everything easier for doing the front mesh. Yeah, that's the way to do it.
Yeah,
So in here is this. So we got the emblem to put on the front, which should help. And here's the mesh, that upper mesh part. So what I gotta figure out is how this bolts in, because I don't think it comes with, I don't know if it comes with the hardware or not. All right, so we went to Home Depot, got a few screws. Since this doesn't come with the hardware, and we're just trying to figure out now how to get the mesh up on the bumper a little bit farther so it sits flush. Already looking better. 10 times better, 100 times better. All right, guys, so while we think of a way to get this attached to the front bumper better at the bottom, we are, you can see Dean working over here, we are trying to get this flimsy, like styrofoam, rubbery side skirt off the car that looks really bad. It just looks cheap, so we're trying to get that off. So that way we can put the side garnishes on right here. You can see this is my side. And it's just cheap stuff peeling right off. It's just 3M to the bottom. All right, guys, so this is what I was talking about. This side skirt stuff is like this cheap foam, and it was just 3M'd onto the bottom of the car. Just looked really bad, so we got that off. Looks a lot cleaner. And then maybe at some point I'll do a carbon fiber side skirt. And then the carbon fiber garnishes are about to go on. All right, so basically there's 2 holes underneath the door in this area, and these are gonna screw in where those bolts are, or those holes are, and look something like that. Come out nice and easy?
getting it started was a little
Gotcha.
painful.
I think that's good, right?
Yeah, looks great.
Yep, much better. Now it's time to rivet these on.
Oh yeah?
Dang, yours is black, so you can't really see. I like that too.
Yeah, that's a good one.
All these.
Yeah.
Take all these out.
Yeah, it's gonna need to be addressed. But I mean, it's looking good. Let's get it on the car.